Hello everyone, in front of me is OPPO A77 5G and let me show you how to add or remove Google account. At first open the settings, then find and select users and accounts and click on add account. Meanwhile, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your account. So then just choose Google, wait a couple of seconds and now provide your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it's email address. Now provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, click on next. And now just mark if this device is yours or if it's belong to your key. Tap on next, then go through all the agreements with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and also privacy policy. If you want to read it more, just mark the particular option and here you've got it, all the documents, and then you can go back and tap on I agree, obviously only once you do. Now just accept all the Google services and that's it. As you can see, this account has been added. If you wish to remove some account, you need to open users and accounts again. Choose the account that you wish to remove and then tap on more icon, select remove and then confirm it by tapping on remove account. Now you'll have to confirm it by using your fingerprint or pattern, whatever you have, and then it will be removed permanently. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.